Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. If you are looking to upgrade your professional style or find a durable daily carry, you are in the right place. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best leather messenger bag for men here on Budget Buying. We have selected these options based on quality, style, and value to help you make the right choice. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Oak Leather Messenger Bag for Men. The Oak Leather Messenger Bag for Men represents a harmonious blend of craftsmanship, functionality, and timeless style. Expertly handcrafted from premium full-grain leather, each bag showcases the dedication and skill of artisans who meticulously stitch every detail, resulting in a durable and luxurious accessory. Lined with sturdy polyester, the bag is designed to withstand daily wear while maintaining its refined appearance, making it a reliable companion for years to come. Its vintage-inspired design adds depth and character, enhancing personal style with a touch of sophistication. Designed for versatility, the Oak Leather Messenger Bag serves a wide range of purposes. Whether you need a laptop messenger bag, a crossbody option, or a shoulder bag for professional settings, it accommodates various needs. Multiple compartments, a dedicated laptop sleeve, and additional pockets provide ample storage for essentials such as books, electronics, and personal items, ensuring both organization and ease of access. The bag's design emphasizes comfort and adaptability. Featuring a padded handle and a detachable adjustable shoulder strap, it can be carried in multiple ways to suit individual preferences. Each piece displays unique leather textures and markings, giving every bag a distinct personality while reflecting classic rustic charm. Beyond practicality, the Oak Leather Messenger Bag is also a thoughtful gift for numerous occasions. Its handcrafted quality makes it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, graduations, or professional milestones. Suitable for professionals, students, and creatives alike, it appeals to anyone who appreciates artistry and durability in everyday accessories. Caring for the bag is straightforward. Gently clean with a soft, damp cloth, avoid excessive moisture, and store in a breathable cover. Applying leather cream when needed helps maintain its natural luster, ensuring that the bag continues to age gracefully, preserving its elegance and timeless appeal. This messenger bag combines artisanal craftsmanship, versatile functionality, and a classic aesthetic. Coming in at number 4, the Komalc Leather Messenger Bag for Men. The Komalc Leather Messenger Bag for Men is a sophisticated blend of craftsmanship, durability, and functionality, designed to meet the needs of modern professionals and travelers. Crafted from premium top-grain water buffalo leather, the bag offers a rich, natural texture and long-lasting resilience, setting it apart from bags made with synthetic materials. Every zipper on the bag is a YKK metal zipper, renowned worldwide for smooth operation and reliability, ensuring that your essentials are securely stored. Designed with versatility in mind, the Komalc bag accommodates laptops and daily essentials while maintaining a sleek profile that avoids bulkiness. Its multi-purpose design allows it to function seamlessly as a briefcase, laptop messenger bag, or office satchel, making it ideal for commuting, business meetings, or casual outings. The interior is thoughtfully organized, featuring multiple sections for smartphones, calculators, cards, pens, and other accessories, along with both internal and back zipper compartments for added convenience. Travelers will appreciate the trolley-compatible strap, which allows the bag to be easily attached to a suitcase, simplifying airport navigation and travel logistics. With dimensions of 16 inches in width, 12 inches in height, and 3 inches in depth, it offers ample space without compromising on style or portability. Komalc also ensures peace of mind with a 1-year warranty, offering hassle-free replacement in case of any manufacturing defects. This attention to quality and durability, combined with a refined aesthetic, makes the Komalc leather messenger bag a thoughtful gift option for birthdays, Christmas, Father's Day, or Valentine's Day. It is a practical, stylish companion for those who value both form and function in their everyday carry, ensuring you look professional while keeping your items organized and accessible. At number 3, we have the Cuero Leather Messenger Bag for Men. The Cuero Leather Messenger Bag for Men is a masterful blend of craftsmanship, style, and functionality designed to elevate everyday carrying experiences. Handcrafted from premium full-grain leather, each bag embodies luxury and durability with meticulous attention given to every stitch. Lined with sturdy canvas, it withstands daily wear while maintaining a timeless vintage aesthetic. These leather bags are not merely accessories, they add character and sophistication, reflecting the dedication of skilled artisans. Measuring 18 inches by 13 inches by 5 inches, the bag offers efficient organization for all essentials. A dedicated laptop compartment accommodates devices up to 17.5 inches, complemented by a large interior section, 2 smaller compartments, and 4 front pockets for phones and accessories. 2 additional zippered pockets, including one at the back, provide secure storage for items like tablets and documents. This versatile layout makes the bag suitable for office, school, college, or business trips, keeping belongings neatly arranged and accessible. Functionality extends to everyday carrying comfort. With durable top handles and adjustable, detachable shoulder straps, the bag adapts to your preferred style, whether as a crossbody, shoulder bag, or traditional satchel. Its rustic charm, combined with the distinct natural character of each leather piece, ensures that no 2 bags are exactly alike, merging practicality with individuality. The Cuero Messenger Bag also serves as a thoughtful gift. Perfect for occasions like birthdays, Father's Day, Women's Day, Christmas, or graduation, it appeals to professionals, students, and creatives who appreciate handcrafted artistry. To maintain its elegance, simple leather care practices, gentle cleaning, proper storage, and occasional conditioning preserve the bag's natural sheen. The authentic leather scent is a hallmark of quality and softens over time with exposure to air, enhancing the bag's classic appeal. For those seeking a stylish, durable, and meticulously crafted leather bag, the Cuero Leather Messenger Bag stands out as a versatile companion. Next up at number 2 is the Masa Kawa Leather Messenger Bag for Men. The Masa Kawa Leather Messenger Bag for Men is a sophisticated and versatile accessory designed for modern professionals. Crafted from full-grain cowhide leather with a thickness of 1.8 millimeters, it employs crazy horse leather technology to preserve the natural texture and provide exceptional durability. This leather develops a unique patina over time, creating a richer, more distinguished look with use. The initial surface features subtle, irregular marks that gradually transform into a polished sheen, adding character and individuality to the bag. Measuring 17.7 inches by 3.9 inches by 12.6 inches and weighing 4.4 pounds, the bag offers generous storage for a 17-inch or 17.3-inch laptop, along with tablets, documents, and daily essentials. Its thoughtfully designed compartments include 2 front magnetic pockets, a front zipper pocket with a tablet sleeve, 5 inner pouches, 4 card slots, 3 pen slots, 5 hang clasps, and a main compartment with an inner zipper pocket. The back section features additional compartments, mesh pockets, a padded laptop sleeve, and a hidden zipper pocket with a luggage strap for convenient travel. The bag is adaptable for multiple carrying styles. Its hidden luggage strap allows it to be secured on rolling suitcases during business trips, while adjustable shoulder straps and a padded top handle provide comfort for crossbody or handheld use. YKK metal zippers with double sliders ensure smooth operation and reliable security, while heavy-duty bronze hardware, reinforced stitching, and thick tear-resistant lining highlight the bag's craftsmanship. With a focus on both function and elegance, this leather briefcase suits professional environments, travel, and everyday use. Masa Kawa also backs the product with a 2-year quality commitment, making it a thoughtful gift option for birthdays, anniversaries, and special occasions. This bag blends classic leather craftsmanship with modern organization, offering a reliable and stylish solution for carrying laptops, documents, and essentials in comfort and confidence. Finally, at number 1, we have the Samsonite Leather Messenger Bag for Men. The Samsonite Leather Messenger Bag for Men combines classic style with practical functionality, making it a versatile companion for work and travel. Crafted from natural Colombian cowhide, each bag boasts its own unique character, with subtle variations in color and texture that highlight the authenticity of the leather. The medium-sized flap-over design is tailored to accommodate laptops up to 6.2 inches, while maintaining a sleek and professional profile with overall dimensions of 16 by 12 by 4.5 inches and a weight of 4.4 pounds. This messenger bag is thoughtfully organized to meet the needs of modern professionals. Under the front flap, an organizer keeps business essentials neatly arranged, offering slip pockets, pen sleeves, card slots, and a removable compartment designed specifically for a cell phone. 3 interior pockets provide space for cords, cables, and other peripherals, ensuring everything is within easy reach. For larger items like files and documents, a rear compartment offers additional storage while keeping your essentials protected. The Samsonite Leather Messenger Bag is equipped with antique brass hardware that adds a refined touch to its overall aesthetic. Versatile carrying options include a single top handle for briefcase-style use or a detachable, adjustable padded shoulder strap for hands-free comfort. Whether navigating city streets, commuting, or traveling for business, this bag blends durability, style, and organization, making it a reliable choice for carrying your laptop and essentials with confidence. Its natural leather construction and practical design combine to create a timeless accessory that balances elegance and everyday functionality. The attention to detail in the layout ensures that whether you are heading to a meeting or catching a flight, your gear remains secure and accessible. This bag truly stands out as a top-tier choice for those who value premium materials and expert design in their daily accessories. That wraps up our countdown of the best options on the market. We hope you found the perfect leather companion for your daily needs. Make sure to check the price link in the description for the most current deals. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more reviews. Thanks for watching.